Here we are in the Process Development Center. We are in front of our benchtop workstation. Here we are using our 3 kilonewton press that's fully fitted on our benchtop workstation.
Yeah. John, you know what I was thinking of last night?
What's that, Sam?
How much force it would take to break an egg?
An egg?
Yeah.
Why would you think that?
I don't know. It'd be cool to see what the touch point and breakthrough force of the egg is.
You know what, Sam? This is really strange, but I have an egg in my pocket.
Oh, no way.
How about we test it out?
Let's do it.
All right. So like Sam had mentioned, first what we're going to do is we're going to set this up to program it to touch the egg without breaking it. Oftentimes in assembly, it is important to touch the part without actually pressing it in to determine that datum and then pressing relative to that. So let me kind of show you guys how that would work. Here we're set up with the Ultra Pro system with our 3 kilonewton press, like I had mentioned earlier. I have a program written here. I'm going to cycle start. It's going to come down. It's going to look for 15 newtons, and then it's going to stop. So here we'll initiate cycle start. Here, Sam, do you want to check it and see if it's actually touching it? Put your hand in there. Is it touching it?
It is.
Okay, okay. So here we have determined the touch point in which we're touching the egg. It's so sensitive that we didn't even crack the egg. Now what we're going to do just for fun is let's move 5 millimeters and let's see how much force it actually takes to break the egg.
That'd be awesome, John. Oh.
Sweet. So as you can see on the HMI here, we have determined that it takes just about 37 newtons to actually crack the egg. Now, so that you know that we didn't just program specific positions to do this, it's actually looking for the egg. Let's try it in the other orientation. What do you think about that?
Let's do it.
Okay, let's take it out. Here we got kind of a mess here, but that's all right.
Yeah.
I got another egg down here. All right, Sam, if you want to place that in the other orientation, we'll prove to everyone that the press is actually sensitive enough to find the egg.
Sounds good. Let's do it.
All right, so you want to go in there and check?
Oh, wow. It's not moving.
Is it stuck? It's stuck?
It is.
Okay. So this will be an interesting experiment. What takes more force? Cracking it horizontally or cracking it from the top?
I would think, from the top.
I would think so too. You can't squeeze an egg that way. You can squeeze an egg horizontally. Let's check it out. Interesting. All right, so as you can see on the HMI here, we generated a curve, but we also took a few pieces from that curve. So the cycle that we just ran took 52 newtons to actually crack it horizontally, whereas cracking it vertically only took 37 newtons.
Wow.
That's different than what I would have expected.
Yeah, I would have expected the opposite.
Yeah, exactly.